Straight boys, y'all be walking around thinking y'all so tough with the whole back of y'all ass out with cheetahs, leopards, and tigers and bears on the back of the bitches. Who y'all think looking at them, the ladies or us, LGBTQ members, with your thug ass? You walking around with a whole cheetah print, leopard ice cream cone on the back of your ass, Magnum, Fruit of the Loom, all them kind of draws. Who do y'all think them for? Huh? Sexy? What you want to be a thug? Who you think them for? Who you think looking? Cause it damn sure ain't your baby mama. It damn sure ain't your wife. You think she said, "Ooh, that ass look good in them Fruit of the Loom ethicas"? No, me. Thank you. I love watching it too. Bounce around in the back of them jeans. And you think you a thug disrespecting me with your whole ass out in the back? Do better, please and thank you.